Say hi, Ryan. Ryan, say hi. Mag-hi-hi ka mo sa.
Say hi, guys. Hi. Say hi. Papasok daw sa likod.
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibighani.
Ano ba? Ganun nga eh, para atake.
Bakit naging ganito na? Bakit sa'yo nakatutok? I love you, Kuya
First stop
Ray.
over. We're here. Can you carry him, Ray Ray?
Mabigat?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Tapos bigla po. Oh, Kuya. Ay, sorry, anak.
First stop over.
What are you up to these days? I thought you'd never leave. Now I'm just holding my breath while you're gone. And now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go?
Nalalata. Mahayo.
Ayun, may nasagasaan na. So here we are in Alliance Head. Hey guys, say hi. Hey guys.
Ano? Mahiwalay tayo?
We're here sa transit. Mag-hi naman kayo sa vlog. Hi, hi, hi.
Tahimik lang sa umpisa eh.
Ay, cauliflower din pala yan. Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. So we're here in Baguio City for a 3 days and a 3 days 2 night trip. Andito kami sa Olivia's Refreshment Eatery. If you may, just took our lunch and we'll head to Burnham Park in a few minutes. Bye!
Cordillera. Sa may SM.
Yun na yung light green sa likod nun.
Hindi yan malapit. Malayo
Correct.
yan.
Tawa ka mo to, mag-vlog ka.
Matatanda.
Correct.
Tayo malipat ha.
Say hi!
Mga sakay ng sakay, walang pambayad.
Say hi!
Ayun na.
Hi!
Ayun na. Awa mo si Sid eh. Awakan mo, nakasakay ka na nga. Magpapawa ka pa ng bag.
Welcome to my videos.
Yeah! Yung anak mo wala sa akin ha?
Asa kanila?
Ayan. Kasan yung... Babe! Saan ka punta? Ano nabili mo?
I'm gonna buy taho.
Taha. Hi, so we're here in Burnham Park and we're testing the Tahoe.
Hinahanap ko yung grilled balot ba?
Oh! Sabi ng baka na lang.
Papamasal.
Ang tanong ko lang papaiwan sa akin. Pili niyo na.
We are in SM Baguio. Who's this? Say hi. Pogi, say Pogi. Wow. Say Pogi. Paano Pogi? Masisira. Paano Pogi? Pogi na, Pogi. Pogi. Welcome back to my channel! And we're here, Charis, on our Baguio second day. Tayo ay mag-house tour. House tour!
Asan na Mickey Mouse namin?
Siya po yung door.
Hi guys.
So we're two family dyan sa kabila. So ito yung door. Pagpasok mo, you see the kitchen with complete utensils. Sorry, yung mga pinagkainan. Meron kami pancit na baon for today. And then right on the other side, you would see the fridge. The kitchen area. You also see the receiving area. Babe, hi. Ayan. Tapos dito, you'll see the 2 rooms. And then ito, the bathroom. Very malinis. With heater yan and rainfall type of shower. This is where we stay. My mama, happy birthday mama. And the other room is where my sister's family. Dito tayo sa pangalawang room. Sid! Hi! Ay, wala pa kailan. Meron ditong bathroom, the living area, the kitchen area, dining area, and the kitchen area. Dito, very neat kasi meron kang like backdoor space. Tada! So this is like a dirty kitchen area. Right? Kunin ko yan, wait lang. Ayan, and then this is also that area. Hindi ko siya nakita. Ibi-bleep na lang natin yung nakabra. Bleep! Charis. Yung isa walang bra. Pati na walang bra, B. Ayan o. Feeling ko bakla to.
Ay, hindi pa sure eh.
Hindi pa sure. Hey, so we're in the kitchen and we're going to pack some food. Kailangan natin magdala ng mangkok. May mga mangkok tayo. May mga mangkok tayo, babe.
Nasa nowhere.
Ay, nag-vlog ka.
Nasa'yo nakatutok yung face. Ay! Hey!
Now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? If you're wondering how I'm doing, I'm sitting on the couch.
Welcome to Mines View Park in Baguio.
Very cute. Hindi po, hindi pang takbo.
Could you try both hands up? Very brave.
Oh my God.
Ay, bumili ka? Kaya nga, kailangan natin bumaba na talaga. Dahan-dahan nila, alalayan mo ako, baka kumalaglag. Maya-maya na kasi.
Lahat lang mo na.
Hi. Susundan niya to. Hi! Mines View Park.
Yes. No. You already have one. Here.
Seed! Seed!
Oh my God, sinunod niya. Ayun, ipababa. Are we ready? Paano si Kuya Archie? Hi. Ewan mo kay ate. Sinabi ko kay ate yan. 200 steps. 200? Bakit balakang yan? 200? Eh kung mag-horseback riding pa kayo. Oh, yan na yun.
Mag-horseback riding pa tayo?
Kayo.
Maaga pa naman.
Oo. Paakyat, ma'am. Pababa yung kuha mo, pababa yung angle. Videohan mo kami.
Pero record na to? Naka-record na to?
Photo lang or...
May video sa kabila.
Alam mo doon sa Mines View, 100.
Wow.
200 binigay namin. Dalawang set lang.
Kaya dagdag ko isa. Dagdag ko isa.
Brian!
Ang cute to aso.
Magkamukha kasi
Parang magmumukha kayo.
Okay na. Next. Sama na. So guess where we are? We are at in the
Mamaya na lang ka mo.
Strawberry Farm.
ito may mango shake.
Pistachio kasi.
Ilan? Dito na po. May shake tayo sa
Ay, pangulo. Meron.
Ano yan? Tupig. Strawberry tupig.
Kaya nga lang talaga malamig. Kaya mainit. Okay lang sa bakbak.
Fast forward, we're here now sa Camp John Hay and we're gonna take our lunch here.
Let's go. Ano na mga food?
We're here.
Okay, blow, 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 blow. Blow, blow. Blow!
Nabidyo mo ba?
Hindi ko na-video, isa pa.
Yung ano, kantahan?
Yung kantahan.
Ano nangyari?
Birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Make a wish, make a wish!
Uto-uto eh. Ooh. Perfect.
Ngayon, 2 years old na.
Happy birthday.
Bam! Birthday!
Tingnan ni Sex Bomb.
Birthday! Ni Sex Bomb ngayon! Get out!
Hello, so we're back home. We're just resting for a few minutes and then we'll head to the night market. Milo? Yes, meron dyan.
Dream, ano yan?
Dreamcatcher. Hey! Good evening. It's still day 2 and we're headed to Baguio Night Market. And we are here with prepping. The center of attention.
Parang ano, Miss Universe.
Correct. Eh.
Ayan, namapula na yung labi, oh. Ang mga natin yung makasama na naman. Hindi nga, hindi kasi spicy.
Ang team bahay.
Kiss. Good night. Bye-bye.
Hello, so we are in the night market. Bumaba kami sa van kasi walang parking. Yeah, we're here. Not really cold. Finally, we're here. So after a few minutes of walk, we have arrived.
Welcome aboard!
Welcome aboard. What are you getting?
I'm gonna try the grilled balut. Yung gusto mo grilled balut?
I'll try it na lang with you.
Saka isang regular na walang
Alam mo, ang dami namin nakain. Wala man lang ako ng video. Ang dami kasing tao, tapos marami daw magnanakaw. So just had to be very careful. May bag nga, it's always here sa harapan. Because I was told na marami nga daw pickpocketer. So, we're headed back sa Luneta Drive from Harrison Drive. Kasi doon yung night market now. So, yan. I'll see you. So our last stop for today. Good morning once again. We're here na sa Baguio Cathedral. It's my first time here. So last day na nila Marika. Dito kami sa bahay kumakain. Yak yarn! Sa mga store. Ito tayo sa likod. May tao ba dito? Ayos sa naluluto kanina. My wife. Yes, si nanay.
Oo nga eh.
Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi nyo maentay eh. Kain po tayo.
Ano nilagay mo?
Marami po.
Makain ka naman, Di. Wow! Makain kami.
Sibuyas.
Hello everyone.
Garlic, thyme, basil, paprika, lemon pepper.
Johan, sa Ate Bianca, sa Sandra. Ayan, mga palaboy. Palaboy talaga.
Yes. Homeless.
Sila yung Mark. Saan nila trabaho sa likod? Hello! Kain kayo ha, kasi after niya yung pool magsasara ng 4.
Ay,
Yung pool magsasara ng 4
Mga
ha.
bata, baka malunod ha.
Ito po yung mga bisita namin. Ayan, diyan kami kumakain. Si Lola. Uy, yung lato-lato baka malaglag.
Naresin na yung lato yung... Lato lang yan, hindi lato.
Sabi niya kasi lato-lato.
Lato yung laruan.
Ah, lato-lato. Okay, ang tawag, okay ganito, ang tawag daw is lato.
Lato, okay. This is for art. Lato, lato.
It's coffee lato.
It's coffee lato.
Ay, kailan kumain na tayo?
20 size large na coffee lato.
This is the sauce of the lato lato.
Hindi pwedeng lagyan yan.
We call it sauce kasi may sabaw. Sana naman!
Ay, okay, si Sandra sa side 2, part 2 na daw.
Nakikitigyawat ka rin sa ilong ha.
Part ng family, ano ka ba?
Sorry, walang table sa amin.
Sahig.